Hello, I'm Joe with Yeatts Rug Plant. Today we're here on location at Idlewild Interiors here in Winston-Salem. Today I wanted to discuss upholstery care. So let's get started. In some cases, you can vacuum your upholstered fabric. More and more, however, it's so fragile you can't. But they do make small vacuums, handheld, for upholstery, where you can vacuum your cushions and of course the body of the upholstery. But again, check with the retailer or the interior designer selling you the upholstery. And if they can't help you, you can always ask your local fabric upholstery cleaner. One thing everyone can do regarding upholstered fabric, if you have cushions, of course, you can flip and rotate your cushions. Every day at Yeatts Rug Plant, we receive cushions in which one side is extremely worn and stained, and the other side looks fairly new other than the abrasion from people rising and sitting upon their upholstery. So you'll need three things to simply rotate and flip your cushions. You'll need painter's tape, you'll need a calendar, and a pen. That is all you need. So let's begin with upholstery cushion maintenance. I have a clear table, of course, where I can place the cushions. I've already marked the cushions, so I start right to left. You always start with the back cushions first, and then the seat cushions. So I start with, facing me, the right back cushion, and then the left back cushion, which I'll place out of the way. Likewise, I start with the right seat cushion, and I end with the left seat cushion. Okay, this is very important and why I recommend painter's tape and why I recommend a table, somewhere to place the cushions, or at least a clean area on the floor where you can layer them out in which you know the order you had taken them off. So you start with the very last one you took off, which was the left seat cushion. That's the very first cushion that goes back on. So I have my tape facing me. I know the cushion was facing this way on the left, so now I flip it over and it gets rotated. It goes from left to right. The tape is no longer facing me. This cushion has been flipped and rotated. I keep going. Here was the right cushion, which will now go on the left. I flip, rotate. The cushion is flipped and rotated. And you end the same way. This would have been the left back cushion. Now it gets rotated and flipped. And this would have been the first cushion, the back cushion we took off. Rotate, and it's been flipped. So the cushions have been flipped and rotated. You can see how plush it looks now. It looks so much better. And this will provide equal wear. This is why I recommend Idlewild Interiors and other professionals who understand fabric upholstery. More and more what we're seeing are upholstery cushions in which you cannot rotate. They take shortcuts. So you see the back of this has no fabric. So it's made not to rotate or flip, thus it wears out quickly. So be careful when buying new upholstery. Make sure you can use both sides of the cushions. And this is why you need a calendar and pen. So today is July 1st, 2022. In 6 months, it will be January 1st, 2023. So on my calendar, or you could use a smartphone, your tablet, whatever you need, I have already marked flip and rotate cushions 6 months from now. We recommend rotating and flipping your cushions every 6 months to at least a year. And every year to at least every 2 to 3 years, you should have your upholstery cushions professionally cleaned by companies like Yeatts Rug Plant. So again, we want to thank our good friends at Idlewild Interiors. Always go to a reputable interior designer, someone you can trust in your local community. We thank them for their showroom, and we hope this video has been informative. This video has been brought to you by Yeatts Rug Plant.